Question 1. Which of the following is a physical change? A. Rusting of iron. B. Burning of magnesium ribbon. C. Dissolving sugar in water. D. Curdling of milk. The correct answer is C. Dissolving sugar in water. Question 2. The C unit of amount of substance is A. Gram. B. Kilogram. C. Mole. D. Atomic mass unit. The correct answer is C. Mole. Question 3. Which law states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction? A. Law of constant proportions. B. Law of conservation of mass. C. Law of multiple proportions. D. Avogadro's law. The correct answer is B. Law of conservation of mass. Question 4. In a chemical reaction, the total mass of reactants is always A. Greater than products. B. Less than products. C. Equal to products. D. Unpredictable. The correct answer is C. Equal to products. Question 5. Which of the following is a homogeneous mixture? A. Soil. B. Air. C. Milk. D. Smoke. The correct answer is B. Air. Question 6. The smallest particle of an element that retains its chemical properties is called A. Atom. B. Molecule. C. Ion. D. Compound. The correct answer is A. Atom. Question 7. Which of the following represents a compound? A. O. B. N. C. Co. D. H. The correct answer is C. Co. Question 8. The chemical formula of calcium hydroxide is A. CaOH. B. Ca or C. CaO. D. CaOH. The correct answer is B. Ca or. Question 9. Which law explains that a compound always contains the same elements in the same proportion by mass? A. Law of conservation of mass. B. Law of multiple proportions. C. Law of constant proportions. D. Avogadro's law. The correct answer is C. Law of constant proportions. Question 10. The relative atomic mass of an element is compared with. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 11. Which of the following is a balanced chemical equation? A. H plus OHO. B. 2H plus O2HO. C. H plus OHO. D. 2H plus OHO. The correct answer is B. 2H plus O2HO. Question 12. Which of the following is a chemical change? A. Melting of ice. B. Boiling of water. C. Souring of milk. D. Freezing of water. The correct answer is C. Soaring of milk. Question 13. The atomicity of phosphorus molecule is A1, B2, C4, D8. The correct answer is C4. Question 14. Which of the following has the highest atomic mass? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon, C. Nitrogen, D. Chlorine. The correct answer is D. Chlorine. Question 15. The chemical formula of washing soda is A. NaCO, B. NaHCO, C. NaCO.10HO, D. NaOH. The correct answer is C. NaCO.10HO. Question 16. Which of the following is an endothermic reaction? A. Burning of coal, B. Respiration, C. Photosynthesis, D. Rusting of iron. The correct answer is C. Photosynthesis. Question 17. A solution in which no more solute can dissolve at a given temperature is called A. Unsaturated, B. Saturated, C. Supersaturated, D. Dilute. The correct answer is B. Saturated. Question 18. Which component of air is most reactive chemically? A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Argon, D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is B. Oxygen. Question 19. Which of the following is a metalloid? A. Sodium, B. Sulfur, C. Silicon, D. Calcium. The correct answer is C. Silicon. Question 20. The pH value of pure water at 25 degrees Celsius is A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. The correct answer is C. 7. Question 21. Which of the following substances will turn blue litmus red? A. Sodium hydroxide, B. Ammonia, C. Hydrochloric acid, D. Calcium oxide. The correct answer is C. Hydrochloric acid. Question 22. Which gas is evolved when zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid? A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is B. Hydrogen. Question 23. Which of the following is a base? A. HCl, B. NaOH, C. HSO, D. HNO. The correct answer is B. NaOH. Question 24. The chemical formula of bleaching powder is A. KAlkyl, B. CaCl, C. Ca, or D. Caclo. The correct answer is A. Keochal. Question 25. Which metal is stored under kerosene? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Sodium. D. Zinc. The correct answer is C. Sodium. Question 26. Which of the following is a displacement reaction? A. AgNO plus NaCl AgCl plus NiNO. B. Zn plus CuSO ZnSO plus Cu. C. CaCO CaO plus Co. D. HCl plus NaOH NaCl plus HO. The correct answer is B. Zn plus CuSO ZnSO plus Cu. Question 27. The rusting of iron requires A. Oxygen only. B. Water only. C. Oxygen and water. D. Carbon dioxide only. The correct answer is C. Oxygen and water. Question 28. Which nonmetal is liquid at room temperature? A. Chlorine. B. Bromine. C. Iodine. D. Sulfur. The correct answer is B. Bromine. Question 29. Which of the following ores is used to extract aluminium? A. Hematite. B. Bauxite. C. Galena. D. Calamine. The correct answer is B. Bauxite. Question 30. Which substance is used as an antacid? A. NaCl. B. Mg or C. NaCO. D. CaCl. The correct answer is B. Mg or. Question 31. Which of the following is a neutral oxide? A. Co. B. So. C. Co. D. CaO. The correct answer is C. Co. Question 32. The number of atoms in one molecule of sulfur is A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. D. 8. The correct answer is D. 8. Question 33. Which of the following solutions has the highest pH? A. Lemon juice. B. Pure water. C. Sodium hydroxide solution. D. Vinegar. The correct answer is C. Sodium hydroxide solution. Question 34. Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? A. Copper. B. Aluminium. C. Silver. D. Iron. The correct answer is C. Silver. Question 35. The chemical name of common salt is A. Sodium carbonate. B. Sodium bicarbonate. C. Sodium chloride. D. Sodium sulfate. The correct answer is C. Sodium chloride. Question 36. Which of the following is a strong acid? A. Acetic acid. B. Citric acid. C. Hydrochloric acid. D. Carbonic acid. The correct answer is C. Hydrochloric acid. Question 37. The process of coating iron with zinc is called A. Electroplating, B. Galvanization, C. Alloying, D. Annealing. The correct answer is B. Galvanization. Question 38. Which of the following is an example of corrosion? A. Burning of coal, B. Rusting of iron, C. Digestion of food, D. Respiration. The correct answer is B. Rusting of iron. Question 39. Which element has atomic number 17? A. Sulfur, B. Chlorine, C. Argon, D. Phosphorus. The correct answer is B. Chlorine. Question 40. The valency of oxygen is AS1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is B2. Question 41. Which of the following is an alkali? A. NaOH, B. Al, or C. Cu, or D. Fe, or. The correct answer is A. NaOH. Question 42. Which compound is used in softening of hard water? A. Washing soda, B. Baking soda, C. Bleaching powder, D. Plaster of Paris. The correct answer is A. Washing soda. Question 43. Which gas is responsible for acid rain? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Sulfur dioxide, D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is C. Sulfur dioxide. Question 44. Which of the following is a reducing agent? A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Chlorine, D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is B. Hydrogen. Question 45. Which substance is used for drying ammonia gas? A. Conch, HSO, B. Quicklime, C. Silica gel, D. Anhydrous CaCl. The correct answer is B. Quicklime. Question 46. Which metal reacts vigorously with water? A. Copper, B. Iron, C. Sodium, D. Silver. The correct answer is C. Sodium. Question 47. Which of the following is a non-metallic oxide? A. NaOb MgO, C. Co, D. CaO. The correct answer is C. Co. Question 48. The chemical formula of plaster of Paris is A. CaSO, B. CaSO point half HO, C. CaSO point 2 HO, D. CaCO. The correct answer is B. CaSO point half HO. Question 49. Which of the following is a property of acids? A. Bitter taste. B. Soapy touch. C. Turns blue litmus red. D. Turns red litmus blue. The correct answer is C. Turns blue litmus red. Question 50. Which element is essential for rusting? A. Hydrogen. B. Carbon. C. Oxygen. D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is C. Oxygen. Question 51. Which of the following compounds is basic in nature? A. Alcohol. B. Soap. C. CO. D. No. The correct answer is C. CO. Question 52. The atomic number of carbon is A6, B8, C12, D14. The correct answer is A6. Question 53. Which of the following is a synthetic fiber? A. Cotton. B. Wool. C. Silk. D. Nylon. The correct answer is D. Nylon.